yet another page in this long rivalry that has existed between two grand teams. One that looks as though it will continue no matter what else happens, no matter what the hand of fate deals both of these parties. It has the look of a glitzy, grandiose occasion. And the mood is boisterous. It is a perfect ambience for the central characters who are ready now to perform. So bring it on.
Well, what a game this is, Peter. The pressure on both sets of players is tremendous, and they're both expected to win no matter what. It doesn't matter if you're contesting a title, a final, or just playing for pride. This one's always special.
There's the whistle. This easily the most keenly anticipated of today's games. Another rendition of this never-ending feud. It will takes a shot, and he shoots! Mbappe is magnificent! A finish right from the top draw, and what a start!
Well, talking about stepping things up from the off, that's how you start a football match.
He won't get many simpler than that, but he's certainly not complaining.
That's really good anticipation too, Peter. Just instinctively knew where the ball would be and where he needed to put himself.
So the game's first significant moment, and it's come earlier than perhaps we anticipated. Lookman, he's got away. Hansko has it in a wide position. Looking for the run. He's in plenty of space here. That's very neat. And this is tries a shot! It is a corner. Madrid with their first corner, the first in the game for either side actually. Rafinha! Well, the ball's come loose here. That's really well manoeuvred. And now they can spring out of defence. Passing is crisp and sharp. Mbappe receives it in a good position here. And the finish! Goal! They are purring, truly purring. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
That's just a fabulous, fabulous finish. Anything that close to the frame of the goal, 99 times out of 100, the keeper's not getting there.
Lionel Messi.
Madrid are doing very nicely, thank you.
Well, now's the time you could afford to be more daring, Peter. It may be tempting to sit on this, but I'd say go and grab a third.
And he's managed to get free. Oh, such a clever touch. Oh, it's come loose. Oh, he's having a go. And that has fizzed wide.
Oh, did the keeper have that covered? I'm not sure he did. I think I need a replay on that one.
Alex Simeone. Ambitious ball here. He's on it, can he get away? And this is Messi. That's tidy. He's in a great position here. Yes, it's an own goal!
That can happen to anyone. It's truly, truly unlucky for him, but it's just the way it is.
So a lead courtesy of an own goal. Alvarez is second in the league scoring charts. And it's Messi. Messi. Oh, shooting chance! Big relief, it just needed better contact. Madrid looking forward to the break after some very good work in the first 45 minutes. Always onto this. And no, that was never going to make it. Hansko. Lookman.
They've got to be quick moving this forward.
Now he's got space here. Bina. That's a cute ball. Oh, that's clever. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. Now that's well seen too. That's an imaginative pass. Hansko. Quick look at his watch, and the referee whistles for half-time. Well, that was as one-sided as it gets. Only one side have shown up here, and they're just tearing it up at will.
Madrid absolutely dominated that half, Peter, and now it's all about game management. There's no need to overstretch themselves. Just stay calm and see this one out.
Well, the players definitely know they're in a derby. More of the same to come after the break, you can be sure of that. Madrid seemingly the shapes to shoot! No, not quite.
Well, the way he set himself up was just so clever. No wonder he's disappointed.
Probing pass. Nicely weighted ball. Searching pass he's played there. Oh, super ball! And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Well, it's still early in the second half, but this does look like a job already done. Gavi. That looks like... Can he finish? Relentless! Just relentless! Just cruising! They are cruising!
After 59 minutes,
Truly superb. A goal of such supreme quality, composure and class.
Well, we could be a little critical of that defence then, but the timing was pretty much perfect.
And yes, it's him again. This is a gloriously greedy performance. Great vision. Might be danger here. There's the shot! And he's stuck it away. And with that, he takes home the match ball.
after 61 minutes.
Some of those players look totally lost out there now, Peter, and you can't blame them.
And with that, the hat-trick is complete.
This is such a dominant performance. The defence are sick of the sight of him, but he doesn't look finished just yet.
Substitution on the field. Number 22.
So time for change, and this one has been on the cards for a little while.
Well, Peter, I don't think there's anything tactical or injury related here. I think it's just all about the push for a goal now.
And the shot! Bina. Now it's Lamar. Now it's Alvarez. Defending in numbers, sharp and uncompromising. Good determined running there, but run back by the defence.
Yeah, the confidence we can admire, the decision-making we can't. He learned from it.
Now it's Lamar. Real chance! And he's missed it.
I thought it was a really good break. No shortage of pace nor intensity. Exactly what's required when on the counter-attack.
Number 20, Giuliano Simeone. Coming on to replace him is number 36.
Mbappe looking to shake off some unwanted attention.
Oh, look, Peter, this has been a textbook illustration of how not to defend, and finally they've decided to single him out.
Tries one from... Oh, he's hit the bar! And he's there to belt it away. And it's made its way to him. Chance, surely! Oh, almost a sixth!
Yeah, it wasn't the worst decision in the world to go for the shot, even if he was being closely marshalled.
Madrid have their second corner now. And now a sudden chance to counter. Backward it goes. De Jong! And no mistake! And the chasm continues to widen. A brutal statement that underpins where these teams are at.
After 86 minutes in.
Well, I think we've reached the point when even damage limitations is no longer an option.
Koke. Alvarez. Oh, Red, nice interception. James makes a move down the right. That is a great pick out. He's got plenty of space out wide here. And that is headed for the middle. It's a clearance, but not much of one.
6 added minutes.
Llorente. Bina. This looks promising. He is through here. Decent chance! It's loose now and they want to get it back. And he's cleared it out of harm's way. Oh, that's wonderful alertness. So that's it. It is all over. Madrid have done the business, grasping what they saw as rightly theirs, maximum points. Mbappe, very much the hat-trick hero. What an extraordinary game he had. Well, how will we look back on that?
So
That is a
that's
superb
it.
win.
Let's
This